Riders on Horseback. A Journey Through Language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, riders on horseback. This expression might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's a lot to unpack. So, saddle up as we explore its meaning, usage, and history. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about phrases, this video is for you. Riders on horseback refers to people who are riding horses. The key components here are riders, which means the individuals controlling the horses, and horseback, indicating that they are seated on the horses. This phrase often evokes images of freedom, adventure, and a connection with nature. You might wonder why we use the term, on horseback, instead of just saying, riding a horse. The answer lies in the richness of the English language. Saying, on horseback, adds a layer of tradition and formality to the phrase. It's a nod to historical and literary contexts where horse riding was a significant part of life. Plus, it distinguishes the act of riding from other forms of interaction with horses, such as grooming or feeding. Today, riders on horseback is used in both literal and figurative contexts. Literally, it describes someone physically riding a horse. Figuratively, it can symbolize journey, adventure, or exploring new horizons. You might encounter this phrase in books, movies, and even in discussions about travel and exploration. This phrase also carries cultural and historical significance. Throughout history, horses and their riders have been symbols of power, freedom, and mobility. From knights in medieval times to cowboys in the American West, riders on horseback conjures a variety of powerful images and stories that are woven into the fabric of many cultures around the world. We hope this journey through the phrase, riders on horseback, has been enlightening. As we've seen, it's more than just a way to describe someone riding a horse. It's a phrase rich with history, meaning, and imagery. Whether you're learning English or just love exploring the depths of language, remembering the stories behind phrases like this can make your language journey all the more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.